Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I did my perm rod set and how I got these results. So I'll be using the Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk, and I'll be using these black perm rods. They're pretty large size. So I'm starting off on stretched hair, and I just clipping some hair out of the way. Before I even started, I sectioned my hair into 4 sections. So I'm using a dime size amount of the milk, and first I'll work it through with my hands, and then I use my dimming brush just to make sure my hair is detangled. I get that perm rod to the end of my hair, and I make sure that my ends are smooth. So I just pull it taut, and then I just ravel my hair around the roller in a corkscrew fashion. And right there where I was touching, I try to make sure that that rope is on the side of my hair, on my scalp side, so that the roller doesn't fall out. And I just do that process all over my head. So I'm just taking some of the milk and I'm just working it in with my hands, just working it in real good. I'm just using the milk just to make my hair moist. You can use anything, you can use gel, but as long as your hair doesn't get wet, as long as it doesn't get like super like soaking wet, we're just going for a quick hairstyle here. So I just raveled my hair around the roller again, and you see right there, I make sure that that rope goes over that part of my hair, because again, you don't want your roller to, flop around. So I get that roller to the end of my hair, and I roll it up a few times just like normal, and then after I do that, then I ravel my hair around the roller, and then I use that rope to secure the roller. So that's it. I do that all over my head. So it probably took me about maybe 15 or 20 minutes to roll it. I tried doing it the normal way and I felt like it was taking too long, so I just did this corkscrew method because it's faster and it gives you even a little bit better results, in my opinion. So this is the last one. And so I secure it. So I am finished installing the perm rods. This is what they look like. Ta-da! Okay. So I sat on the dryer for about 20 minutes. My hair wasn't that wet, so it didn't take that long. So I'm just unraveling the rollers. I like to unroll mine like in a corkscrew fashion or in a spiral type of motion instead of just unrolling it like normal, because I think it'll create more frizz that way. So yeah. So these are my finished results. I didn't pick mine out because I was about to go to bed, so I just pin curled mine up. So these are my finished results. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.